it's Killbite here, and there's water in my floorboards. Okay, well, they're not really mine, but yeah, there is water in the floorboard. The driver's side floorboard was soaked. It has been pouring. It's been 90 degrees, running the air conditioner, and it's like, what is it? Is it a leak? What's going on? Well, pretty sure I found where the issue is. So back in there, there's a drain. It goes from the AC, also from your vents. And what happens is there's a seal around it in the firewall, and that will deteriorate. I mean, this is 2001, so yeah, it's deteriorated, and now it looks like the water is seeping back through and running into the floorboard instead of draining out. You're going to need to remove the air hose, the air intake hose, 10 mil worm clamp, loosen that up, and then you should be able to twist and pull it off. The intake tube removed. It gives you access down there. That black piece, it's almost a ½ inch sticking out. It needs a turn down or something. Seriously, that might be the easiest thing to do, is put if you could put a hose on it that just turns down. What happens is that black insulation around it is worn out. You can see it's all wet, so you gotta dry that and reseal it. You can use some sort of gasket sealer, window weld, something like that to seal around it. Well, it's several days later. I went to edit the video, and the last segment of this video was in time lapse. Yes, my GoPro 8 Black failed me again. Yeah, do not trust me. Get something else. If you want a cheap one, a cheap action camera, get like an Picasso. If you want something better, get the DJI, was it Osmo? Don't buy the GoPro. Their name is big, and now they've just got really poor design and implementation. So, okay, enough of that rant. All right, you should be able to see it right there. That's the finished product, and I ended up using that Goop automotive adhesive sealant, and it is not leaking. It's been several days, it's dried out, and it's no longer leaking into the car, which is good. Window weld is good. Flex seal. While you have the intake hose or tube off, you might want to clean your throttle body. And if you've got a manual, you can actually get to the end of the cables, shoot a little white lithium grease on them, keep those things lubed up so that your transmission doesn't get hard to shift. All right, hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with yours.